have a long tradition in the Florence School of Regulation of creating a forum for the exchange of opinions, of exchange of experiences, and our aim with the summer school is to recreate the exchanges we have in our regular meetings to this very particular training opportunity.
For the first time ever, we tried to break the silos between mode of transport, and it was very useful because we had a very intense discussion between two modalities, rail and aviation.
We don't want participants to passively listen to, yes, very good speakers, very good lecturers that we invite, but we expect participants to get a very active role and to exchange their experiences.
We are discussing of real things, what really matters for our sector just right now.
The summer school in Florence is a great opportunity to share the knowledge within the aviation, rail and general transport operators.
The interaction that we've had has been fantastic.
So we are not always aligned, but there is a very interesting debate.
A forum to bring together industry representatives, national regulators, European regulators and academics like myself.
It's an opportunity for you to connect with your peers, to connect with officials from the European Commission, from national regulators, from ministries, to engage and together advance the regulation of transport in the European Union.